Welcome to our quick tips video tutorial. Here I am going to show you how to make cafe-style hot caramel macchiato using espresso brewed from a no-brand Moka pot. First, warm the milk using the stainless milk frother. It is fine to put it directly on a stove top. Next, place 2 ounces of water into the Moka pot boiler. We only need 1 ounce of espresso. Place 1 scoop of ground coffee in the coffee filter basket. Secure the pot firmly on. Turn on the heat to medium. The process will take less than 2 minutes because we only have 2 ounces of water in the boiler. And the espresso is now ready. Get the milk frother and froth the warm milk. Pump until you feel the volume has increased. Tap and swirl to smoothen out the milk foam. Now let's assemble our drinks: caramel syrup, caramel sauce, our espresso from the Moka pot, and our warm milk. Pour the milk into the serving cup. Pour high so that you get the milk before the foam. Leave the foam for later. Place 2 teaspoons of caramel syrup into the milk. To regulate the flow of the espresso, pour it over the back of a spoon. I am using a coffee scoop here, which gives it a better flow. Next, cover up the dirty coffee with the remaining milk foam. Finish up the drink with caramel sauce and some latte art. Now it is ready to serve with the beautiful layers. Thank you for watching these quick tips. Until next time, ciao for now.